This is a 1948 Talbot Lago Record T26. It's a steel-bodied four-door sedan, and it's got a twin camshaft, 4.5 litre, 6-cylinder engine, delivering 170 brake horsepower on rear wheels with a top speed of 105 miles per hour. It's one of the only 80 produced in the Berline model, and we believe the only one in New Zealand. This car will be offered in our forthcoming collector's car auction on the 27th of June at ASB Showgrounds in Auckland, and has a pre-sale estimate of $200,000 to $250,000.